Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to mute websites on Google Chrome. So I'm going to use my channel as an example. So I'm going to head over to the Drew Tutorial website and let's go to videos and open up a few videos here, right? Or I'll just open up one or two of them. So I'm going to open them in a new tab while allow those videos to play. And in order to quickly mute them, you just want to right click and mute. And as you can see right there, the videos are actually muted. So if you're on YouTube or any website and you want to quickly mute the sound from any tab or all tabs, just simply right click on the tab and you'll find the mute and unmute button to quickly mute those video tabs instead of have to closing them or you have to go on each video and pause them. You can just quickly mute if you want to do that. And it doesn't matter which website you are, as long as there's audio coming from that web page or that tab, you can quickly mute it. And that's it.